Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn 30 common phrasal verbs about doing things at home. Listen and learn with me. Do the laundry. Wash clothes. A woman is doing the laundry at home. Hang up. Hang clothes to dry. A man is hanging up wet clothes on a drying rack. Fold up. Fold clean clothes. A girl is folding up laundry in the bedroom. Put away. Return things to their place. A boy is putting away clean clothes in a drawer. Take out. The trash remove garbage from the house. A man is taking out a trash bag at night. Clean up. Make a place clean and tidy. A family is cleaning up the living room. Pick up. Collect things from the floor or table. A child is picking up toys from the floor. Wipe down. Clean a surface with a cloth. A woman is wiping down the kitchen counter. Wash up. Clean dishes. A person is washing up dishes in the sink. Dry off. Dry something like dishes or hands. A man is drying off clean dishes with a towel. Vacuum up. Use the vacuum cleaner. A woman is vacuuming up the carpet in the living room. Sweep up. Use a broom to clean the floor. A boy is sweeping up dust in the kitchen. Mop up. Clean the floor with a mop. A girl is mopping up the bathroom floor. Dust off. Remove dust from surfaces. A man is dusting off the bookshelf. Tidy up. Make things neat. A woman is tidying up the dining table. Straighten up. Make a room look organized. A girl is straightening up her messy room. Put together. Assemble furniture or toys. A man is putting together a small table. Take apart. Separate something into pieces. A person is taking apart a chair to fix it. Throw away. Put something in the trash. A woman is throwing away old magazines. Fix up. Repair or improve something. A man is fixing up a broken lamp. Turn on. Start a machine or light. A girl is turning on the light in the kitchen. Turn off. Stop a machine or light. A man is turning off the fan before sleeping. Warm up. Heat food. A woman is warming up soup in the microwave. Cool down. Let food or room become cooler. A cake is cooling down on the table. Boil over. When food in a pot spills while boiling. A pot of water is boiling over on the stove. Clear off. Remove things from a surface. A person is clearing off the table before dinner. Fill up. Put something to the top like a glass. A girl is filling up a glass with juice. Run out of. No more left. A man is looking in an empty fridge. He has run out of milk. Lock up. Lock doors and windows. A woman is locking up before going to bed. Set up. Prepare or arrange something. A man is setting up the table for dinner. Great job. Now you know 30 new phrasal verbs. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.